So it's currently 4 in the morning and I feel really bad for anyone that's trying to sleep right now. All right, so look, it's not that bad once it warms up. Mind you, this is in the quietest setting, so. Anyways, guys, we're about to be heading out to Bowling Green, Kentucky. It's like 4 in the morning. We're gonna be making like a 4.5 hour road trip from Alabama. So that'll be fun. We're gonna get some vlogs today, see the guys over at Paragon, see a whole bunch of people that I haven't seen in a couple months. So it should be a lot of fun. Now the first little pit stop we're gonna have to make is obviously to get some gas, because we have a 300-mile road trip and 175 miles to eat, so that's just not gonna cut it. All right, guys, so Vet is filled up with gas. As you can see, 293 miles to E. We got 300 miles. Dang. We might have to stop again, but hopefully not. Anyways, let's get on the road. Well, guys, we have officially made it to Bowling Green, Kentucky, roughly 5 hours later after we left. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, so yeah. We're gonna head over to the racetrack and meet up with Rob and Corey. My car is gonna be at the Paragon booth, so. Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing. Look at all of the Corvettes. There's the museum right there. Whenever I was here about 3 months ago, we had a booth right up there, but this time Paragon's having the booth at the actual racetrack, which is all the way down this road and that way. Look at this guy running. What are you doing, sir? Yeah, oh, there you go. All right. Sir, what is it? Hey, you're exposed. Exposed, your car's dirty.
This can't be. This can't be.
Buddy, I think you got it. I think actually you missed the spot. What? Oh no, you really didn't get it. Bro is scrubbing.
The wrap just starts
Be careful,
peeling.
you're gonna take the wrap off,
the
buddy.
wrap just starts peeling. It's just, you see the white paint underneath it.
God, dude. All right, guys, so we are at the Corvette Caravan event. The Paragon booth is over there. Of course, I'm over here with Paragon. So we got Rob with the Z06's Z06 right here in a beautiful green wrap. Very nice, very nice. Even has a little green stripe on his Venturi intake. Look at this dude. What are you filming? Are you filming the imperfections in my rear bumper?
Yeah. This thing, I pity the guy that owns this thing, dude.
Yeah, I pity the guy that owns this as well. You know, it matches that trash can right over there pretty well, doesn't it?
It does. It really, I honestly, I got some shots of that first thinking that it was this car.
Oh, you thought the trash can was...
I thought that was this, I don't know, use this C8 Cody guy. I thought that was his car. But then when I realized it wasn't, you know, I had to move over to this thing, so.
Honestly, this is worse.
I don't know what's going
on. It's arguably worse.
Probably.
It's all right. At least mine doesn't look like.
Have you seen that? Have you seen
at least
that
mine's
thing?
not like that. You know? just me and Rob roasting our own cars over here. Like, hey, stop getting closer.
You gotta stay humble. You gotta stay humble.
We're gonna be taking the bus, go see the new ZR1. You've already seen the ZR1, haven't you?
Yeah. Have you
That's
seen
lame.
it yet?
No, I haven't.
Oh.
No, this is like the first Corvette event I've been to since the bash.
How funny is it gonna be when they don't let you on the bus?
They're definitely gonna let us on the bus. We're getting on the bus.
It's not so good, is it? Where are we gonna sit?
I don't know. There's not many spaces open. Where are we gonna sit, buddy? Oh, you're gonna want me to sit right beside you? Okay, bet. All right, so this is our first road trip. There's a little field, I feel like we're in a field trip in like middle school. Oh look, there's the look at them.
Driver's gonna go.
Ooh. What are they doing?
They just start taking shit out of the back.
They're just taking stuff out of the back of my car.
The duffel bags, they unload the suitcase.
Not my duffel bag that has my clothes in it.
All these Corvettes.
Wow, that's a lot of Corvettes. They're all what?
They're all one of ones.
Oh my gosh, where's the ZR1? Where is the oh my gosh. Here they are, the ZR1s, baby. What do you think about that hood? You like the
It's
the
kind
little...
of cool. I mean,
I didn't know it was like that.
you don't have any front. You lose your front.
I didn't know it was that insane, like the little lip right there. I had no idea. In the pictures, it does not look like that elevated. So the side looks like a regular Z06, except for the little air vent right there.
So far, you've only seen it for a couple seconds. What do you think?
I think it's awful. I would never buy one because I can't afford one.
Hell yeah.
Oh, the convertible doesn't have a split window. Yeah, the wing is insane. The wing is crazy, I will admit. The wing is literally huge. Like, that's my hand.
This is that new interior too.
The habanero.
Yeah. It's not.
Honestly, I like it. I do like it. Will I ever get one? I don't know. Would you ever? Do you think you'll ever get a ZR1 C8?
In my dreams, maybe.
Yeah, I'm about to say in my dreams. I feel like the MSRP is going to be like 180 plus 100K.
I bet you can get this one for probably half off.
They have a black one over here. It doesn't have the little carbon fiber piece on the hood like the other one did. This one doesn't have the same little carbon fiber piece. I guess that one's...
This doesn't have the wing package.
Oh, okay, so that's the whole aero. Like a whole entire aero package for it.
So
I like the aero package though. I like it.
You get that new vent back here, and then obviously the split as well.
So you have a little side vent and then another vent right there. That's actually pretty cool. What do you think about the split window? Do you like it?
It's kind of cool. I don't mind it.
I hated it in the first photos, but now seeing it in person,
yeah, same.
seeing it in person is actually okay. Like, especially with a black car.
Yeah.
So. But yeah, we're gonna take one more look at the ZR1 before we hop back on the bus. That wing is insane though. The wing is, I don't know, it is huge. It is literally so big. The vents are cool. I like the coupes better than the convertibles because I like the extra vent that's on the rear little roof panel. But all around, pretty nice. That hood is still insane, dude. I cannot get over how raised up that is. That is crazy. All right, saying goodbye to the ZR1. Are you gonna try to ruin my videos now? Oh, thank God. We didn't have to wait. This thing looks like it's been through some stuff. You know,
they don't want me in this thing.
You know, this thing almost looks as rough as the wrap on your car.
Yeah, honestly.
Doesn't it?
Honestly.
It looks.
Honestly, it does. It does. It really does.
The trailer. Oh yeah, the new wheels. I'm talking about the trailer.
The trailer.
Yeah, that's awesome. Pulling a trailer with a C8. Are you sweating, buddy? You're acting like it's hot out here. It's only like 95 degrees in the direct sun with no AC or wind. Like the singular Tesla. The singular Tesla out of all these Corvettes here, we have a gold Tesla Plaid. You said what about your Z06? You said your Z06 would walk it?
On the track.
All right, guys, so we are pretty much done with the first day. Today's Friday, so technically it's the third day of the caravan, but it's my first day here. So the Paragon booth is pretty much all the way packed up. There's Rob. Where are you going, Rob? Are you going back to the hotel, buddy? Where you leaving? Hey, all right. Pretty much everyone is starting to head out. It's like 4 o'clock right now, so It's definitely been a hot day, but a very, very fun day nonetheless. So hopefully the inside of this car is not too hot whenever I get in it. But the AC is sure gonna feel nice. But seeing the ZR1 was definitely cool, and hanging out with the guys at Paragon Performance. That is the end of day one at the Corvette Caravan 30th anniversary event. A ton of fun. Was a little bit hot today, but it was still a lot of fun seeing a lot of people. There were so many Corvettes today. It was absolutely insane. And the ZR1 was pretty freaking cool, I'm not gonna lie. Seeing that thing in person, the aero on that car is absolutely unreal. And after what seems like forever, we have finally made it to the hotel. Now I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here, guys. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'm about to go get some dinner with the boys. So I'll see you guys in the next one.